Hanauma Bay in Hawaii is the perfect blend of natural beauty, adventure, and relaxation. With a rich history dating back to ancient Hawaii, this protected marine life conservation area is home to over 400 species of fish, sea turtles, eels, and octopuses. Go snorkeling after watching a 9-minute educational video, swim or sunbathe at the main beach, explore nearby coves, kayak, stand-up paddleboard, take a guided tour of the underwater ecosystem, or hike the trails for stunning views. Remember to arrive early, bring sunscreen, stay hydrated, respect the wildlife, and leave no trace. Hanauma Bay is a must-visit destination that has something for everyone. To read the full article and get more tips and tricks, please visit our website at www.urbanlive.org. If you want to see more of me on this channel, please like and subscribe.